Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting it or losing your data. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is your phone's system settings, not WhatsApp settings. Now, tap on App Management or Apps depending on your Android device. Tap on App List to view all installed applications on your phone. Scroll down and search for WhatsApp, then tap on it to open WhatsApp's app settings. Now, tap on Notifications to access WhatsApp's notification settings. Here, you'll see the Allow Notifications toggle. Disable this option by turning it off. This stops WhatsApp from sending you notifications. Close the Settings app and return to your home screen. Now, find the Security app. Open the Security app, then scroll down and find Hide Apps. Toggle on the WhatsApp to hide the app from your home screen. Don't worry, this doesn't uninstall the app, it just removes the icon. And that's it. You've temporarily deactivated your WhatsApp account. WhatsApp won't send notifications, and you won't have easy access to the app. When you want to reactivate it, simply go to your Security app, find WhatsApp, and unhide the app again. And that's how you temporarily deactivate WhatsApp without deleting it. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more WhatsApp tips and phone management tutorials. Thanks for watching.